My daughter put herself in rehab back in May. Her husband does not say that he needs to get help. While she's been gone, he has sold. Now, this is property that he was inherited, but they married long before, the grandparent died. But he has sold all the property while she's been gone, and I'm just wondering, does she have any legal stands or anything? Is this something he can do?
Yes. Okay, so it sounds like you have a property issue, and this may need to be handled through probate court. I didn't get all the information that I may need to fully answer the question. Whose property was it initially? Was it his or hers?
The grandmother's.
Okay, and he's now in rehab, and has he sold that property, you said?
No. She is in rehab, his wife, and he didn't go to rehab. And he has been selling the property while she's gone. Well,
the grandmother may have a legal issue because if she's still living, that is technically still her property. Is she passed?
She's already passed.
Okay, so he's inherited that property. Were there any other children involved?
No.
Okay. Well, if he has inherited that property, then he had a taking of that property, and he could probably do things that he needs to do with that property. I think I need a little more information from you, though, and you're more than welcome to call my office at 205-521-7378. But if he inherited that property, he has a legal right to that property, then he's able to do what he can with the property. But there may be another legal issue if it sounds like he wasn't in his right mind, or if he was in rehab. So there may be some other legal basis for a case there if there were some other people that had an interest in that property.
Waukesha, I got a question though, just to follow up, maybe to clarify something.
Okay.
Let's say that I inherit a piece of property.
That's
okay,
right.
Does that become marital property between me and my wife, therefore encumbering it some way such that one or the other can't sell it out from under? Or is it not marital property?
That's right. It's not marital property. If you actually inherit that property will be yours. That does not become community property when you get married.